Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing another Spin Master Monster Jam unboxing. Now these two trucks I've had for a while. One of them is from Mix 6 and the other one is from Mix 4. And the trucks I'm going to be reviewing for you today are the brand new Bad News Travels Fast and the Chevy C10 Big Kahuna. So that's pretty cool. These are both brand new designs for 2019, and we are going to start with the Chevy C10 Big Kahuna. Here's the figure, and here is Big Kahuna. Oh, cool! This is awesome. The matte paint is beautiful on this truck. Oh wow, that grill. That is a really nice grill. On the top you got the tiki with the rust, and then the roof with the rust. I like the dual surfboards on the back. That makes it look unique. It says Big Kahuna on the back. Got the Monster Jam logo, the tiki, it says Big Kahuna. You got the door handle painted on there. It looks exactly like the real Big Kahuna before they changed it to that station wagon body. But Shane England, I guess, said somewhere that he's trying to make two Big Kahuna chassis, and he will bring back the Chevy C10 version, which I hope he does, because the Chevy C10 was my favorite version. Wow, this thing is awesome. And I'm glad Spin Master decided to do the Chevy C10 inspired Big Kahuna, because this I mean, it's got similar graphics, but it's very inaccurate. And would you call this a Chevy C10 body? No, this looks more like a custom concept body. So obviously big difference in the color and the paint. The only thing accurate about Mattel's is the US body, which if they do bring back the Chevy C10 body Big Kahuna next year from Spin Master, I'm sure they will add that. If not, that's okay. This one still, the Spin Master version still dominates this one anyway because of, you know, nice detail and everything. Alright, so that was the Big Kahuna. And now to a truck I guess you could say is special. The Bad News Travels Fast 20th anniversary. Here's the truck. I will show that to you in just a minute. And here's the figure representing Brandon Darrow. Okay, this is a cool truck. So the black paint job is amazing on this truck, and those shiny gold rims look really nice. Those may not be accurate, but I do like them. They do look shiny and flashy. On the tailgate it says Sign Pro. Harrisburg, Virginia, and just some stuff down there. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but if you guys own the truck yourselves, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. It does have the updated chassis mold, which is good. And on the negative spacebar it says Brian Z. Patton Monster Truck Collection. So for those of you who didn't know, Brian Z. Patton actually sponsors the Bad News Travels Fast monster truck. So he signed a contract with Brandon Darrow to have his collection website be sponsored on the truck. So I think that's very cool. Alright, and then it says Bad News Travels Fast on the side, Monster Jam logo, the newspaper kid probably saying extra, extra. And then on the hood, the face or the helmet of the character. And then it says "Bad News Travels Fast" and with some flames. Then on the top, obviously you got more of the flames and then the newspaper. And then it says Brandon Darrow on the top there. And if you look in closely, I'm sure it'll focus. If not, I can make it out. It says, it's supposed to say, delivering bad news for 20 years, because this is a 20th anniversary paint scheme. So, yeah. So, very cool. Alright, so that was the unboxing of Bad News Travels Fast and Big Kahuna. These two trucks will make their Sign Up Series debut in Sign Up Series 15 because I still have to get Sign Up Series 14 out of the way. The Field of Trucks video will be uploaded later today. Yeah. And then either tomorrow or Sunday I will do the event. Alright guys. I hope you, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss a new video. Alright guys, take care.